Hey guys, what's up, you guys? What's up, guys?
I with my shirt and my pants.
It's okay.
I need new pants.
We will get you new pants, okay? So, right now, you guys, where are we?
At church.
Which church?
That church.
That church. So that's what's going on, you guys. This is my food. This is Rachel's food. This is the kids' meal. Silas loves spaghetti. Do you like your spaghetti? Is it good? It's a good spaghetti. What kind of ice cream did you get? What did you get? What kind of sauce did you get? Do you remember what? And what's the toppings? What are the blue? These ones. What are they? Do you remember what she said? M&M's? Are they M&M's? Say it.
M&M's.
M&M's. Is it good?
Yeah.
Alice is just partying with the strawberry over there. Hey guys, so right now, guys, we got a new shower head, so we put a new shower head on there because we are cool. What are you doing, mister? Hey guys, what's up? So right now, you guys, we are taking the recycle out. So recycles are pretty well full. So we are taking the recycle out, you guys. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Let's take the recycle out. Let's go do it. Let's do it. Today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up on the bed. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Good night.